Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the type 3 conditionals. Let's get started. Remember that conditionals are sentences with two clauses, a main clause and an if clause. Now, conditionals state that the action in the main clause can only take place if a certain condition in the if clause is fulfilled. Have a look at the example over here. If we don't hurry, we will be late. Now this is a conditional sentence, and it's used to state that the action in the main clause, being late, will take place if we don't hurry. Now there are 5 main types of conditionals in English, and amongst them are conditionals type 3 or third conditionals. Now, conditionals type 3 or third conditionals are used to describe past event that is different to what really happened. Note that these sentences are solely hypothetical. Thus, there's always some implication of regrets. Have a look at the example below. If we hadn't booked this trip, we wouldn't have missed her graduation ceremony, meaning that we wanted to be at her graduation ceremony, but we missed it because we were on a trip somewhere else. Now make sure to use the past perfect tense in the if clause and would have plus the past participle in the main clause. Note that the order of the main and if clause is not fixed, although when the if clause precedes the main one, make sure to use a comma. Have a look at the table below. Now, the if clause of type 3 conditionals is formed by if plus past perfect. Main clause would have plus verb ed or the past participle. Have a look at the examples below. If we had bought that lottery ticket, we would have won. If Jake hadn't drunk that night, he wouldn't have got into the car accident. Note that both would and had can be contracted to apostrophe D. Remember that would never appears in the if clause. Have a look at the example over here. If I had known that, I would have warned you. This would be equal to if I'd known that, I'd have warned you.